Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Trump Media and Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on the last day of March in the year 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since March 26, 2025, our system has classified Trump Media and Technology Group as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.69. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a decline of 6.69%. This amounts to an average daily loss of 1.67% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the midst of a broad and declining trend over the short term, with indications of further decline within this trend. The existing 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 46.38% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between -59.05% and -33.73%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis points to a projected change of -24.39%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between -82.27% and 75.93% over the coming year. In current terms, this would imply a future price somewhere between $3.46 and $34.38. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline, Red Day on Monday for Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock after losing 1.46%. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price fell by 1.46% on the last day, which was Monday, the 31st of March, 2025, dropping from $19.83 to $19.54. It has now declined for 4 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 5.6%, with a low of $18.56 and a high of $19.60. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days, resulting in an overall decline of 4.96% during this period. Volume increased on the last day by 564,000 shares. Although this occurred alongside falling prices, this may indicate an early warning, suggesting that the risk could be slightly elevated over the next few days. In total, 4 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $77.61 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $61, while the lowest stood at $11.75. Currently, the price is 67.97%, or $41.46, below the 52-week high. It is also 75.38%, or $59.84, below the all-time high recorded on the 26th of March, 2024, when the price peaked at $79.38. Trump Media and Technology Group, trading under the symbol DJT, has made headlines as the first company listed on the newly launched New York Stock Exchange, Texas. This strategic move marks a significant milestone for the exchange, potentially boosting investor confidence and visibility for Trump Media's brand. In the short term, this inaugural listing could create upward momentum for DJT's stock price as investors respond positively to pioneering developments. However, DJT has faced challenges recently, with its shares falling over 32% year-to-date due to disappointing social media traffic and financial performance. Although the announcement of new exchange-traded funds in partnership with Crypto.com sparked a temporary surge in share prices, some analysts view this as a market overreaction, pointing to continuing concerns over the company's valuation relative to its performance. Moreover, news about the Securities and Exchange Commission not pursuing an enforcement action against Crypto.com also provided a boost to DJT, reflecting potential synergies within the cryptocurrency market that could benefit Trump Media in the long run. Nevertheless, the company must address fundamental issues, such as profitability, to stabilize and sustainably grow its stock price. Overall, while the initial excitement from the New York Stock Exchange Texas listing may uplift short-term performance, investors will closely monitor the company's ability to enhance its core operations and financial health for long-term success. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Trump Media and Technology Group stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as a strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, the 13th of March, 2025, and so far it has risen 1.93%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near short-term development. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, presenting a more negative forecast for the stock. Moreover, there is a general sell signal from the relationship between the two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $20.68 and $23.57. A breakout above any of these levels will trigger buy signals. Volume increased while prices were falling yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 13 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 26 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 50 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 46 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 35 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 30 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation finds support from accumulated volume at $19.17. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock typically exhibits average daily movements, and with sufficient trading volume, the risk is categorized as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.04 between its highest and lowest points, representing a change of 5.60%. In the past week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 6.03%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's review some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This essential ratio compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings, meaning it is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, if a company consistently shows a negative PE ratio, it may suggest inadequate profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $20.59. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group encounters its first support level at $19.17. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 11th of March, 2025, Eric Swider executed an insider sale of 5,000 shares of common stock. with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 12th of March, 2025, Eric Swider executed another insider sale of 10,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 10th of March, 2025, Philip Juhan conducted an insider sale of 11,805 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the same day, Philip Juhan also executed an insider sale of 8,954 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. Additionally, on the 10th of March, 2025, Philip Juhan conducted an insider sale of 300 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. Based on the 55 most recent insider trades, we have determined that insider power is positive, with a ratio of approximately 22.294. In total, insiders purchased 226,179,920 shares and sold 115,754,142 shares in these last 55 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this particular stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation shows several negative indicators and is currently within a broad and declining trend. Therefore, we anticipate that its performance will remain weak in the upcoming days or weeks, leading us to maintain a negative assessment of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 1st of April, we expect Trump Media and Technology Group to open lower by approximately 0.3 of a dollar, starting at $19.23. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here is our current outlook on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you success in your trading endeavors and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.